Hola, buenos dias a todos. Hello, good morning again to everyone. This is Julio, your Spanish teacher for this Spanish language conversational course. Now let's talk about time words. First, in days or days of the week. So we have Sunday, el domingo, Monday, el lunes, Tuesday, el martes, Wednesday, el miércoles, Thursday, el jueves, Friday, el viernes, Saturday, el sábado. And then, by the way, just a review on the part of speech, particularly in articles. These are the category that you must always put articles all the time, regardless of its preposition. Okay? That's why we can see here all these days of the week words have its articles. Okay? So, entonces, months of the year: January, enero, February, febrero, March, marzo, April, abril, May, mayo, June, junio, July, julio, August, agosto, September, septiembre, October, octubre, November, noviembre, December, diciembre. Entonces, general time words: day before yesterday, antier, yesterday, ayer, year, el año, day, el día, month, el mes, century, el siglo, today, hoy, week, la semana, dawn or very early in the morning, madrugada, tomorrow, mañana, morning, still mañana, midnight, medianoche, entonces, noon, mediodía, minute, el minuto, night, la noche, day after tomorrow, el pasado mañana, seconds, los segundos, afternoon, la tarde, entonces, expression time words. We have on time, a tiempo, late, tarde, early, temprano, from time to time, de vez en cuando, often, a menudo, normally, normalmente, daily, diariamente, entonces, still expression, soon, pronto, right away or immediately, enseguida, in a little while, en un rato, in 2 days. I also put a construction here that we can use. So if you want to say in 2 days, en 2 días. If you want to say in 3 days en 3 días, or whatever days it is. Just follow this construction, en plus tiempo, or number of days. Okay? So, en 2 días and 2 days. We also have next year with a construction tiempo plus que viene. So, next year, el año que viene. El año que viene. If we want to say next month, we can say el mes que viene. El mes que viene. Or, if we want to say next week, we can say la semana que viene. So we are just following this construction. Also, we have last year with additional construction, tiempo plus pasado. Last year, el año pasado. El año pasado. If you want to say last month, el mes pasado. If you want to say last week, you can say la semana pasada. Okay, la semana pasada. So you must create a sentence that agree with gender, number at all times. And then we have a while ago, hace un tiempo. Hace un tiempo. Now, ahora, currently, actualmente. Then this year, with the construction este plus tiempo, este año, or if you want to say this month, este mes. So the same construction, just use this. Always, siempre, never, nunca, sometimes, a veces, rarely, rara vez. So for the activities and homework on this part, record yourself speaking the learned words thrice in a video recording with correct pronunciation, and then choose words from it and make 10 simple sentences based on what we have learned from lesson 3 or overall parts of speech. Then underline the words you use. It is still paperwork. Por ejemplo, we want to say, I need to finish my assignment tomorrow. In Spanish, necesito terminar mi tarea mañana. And then, record yourself speaking the sentences you have created thrice. So that's all. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos. Adios.